Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Facebook trending AI photo. Okay, to create trending AI photo, we're going to use Nano Banana on Gemini. So first of all, you can open up gemini.google.com or you can open up Gemini app and you can use Nano Banana feature here. You can choose create images. This is Nano Banana picture shown by this banana icon. And then you're going to upload the photo that you want to edit. And I'm just going to pick random photo from my device. And then you can add the prompt here. And for the prompt, guys, I'm going to show you some prompts that you can use to create trending AI photo. The first one, you can create this photo. Wait, I'm going to choose this holding roses trending. You can create this trending photo holding roses, and this is the prompt. And you can modify the prompt, guys, because this prompt is for a woman. Okay, and this is the result, and that's so elegant. And the second one, I'm going to show you the elevator trending. Okay, like this. And you can add this prompt. And again, this is for a woman, so you can modify the prompt. And then you can also create Polaroid photo with your idol or with your favorite celebrity. You can make them hug like this. And this is the prompt. For each prompt, guys, you need to add the sentence, don't change the face. So the AI will create a photo based on the face on the photo you have uploaded. And then you can create this figurine photo like this. And this is the prompt. Okay, this is also a trending photo on Facebook. And I'm going to show you a mountain photo. Okay, this is also figurine model. Okay, and if you want to change your place or change your background, you can add this prompt. And I'm going to use this prompt to create or to change the place of my photo. Okay, and this is the result. And that's so cool, right? Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!